Good morning, class. Today we're going to be talking about the base 10 number system. We're going to be using a place value chart, like this one that I have right here, to see where the ones, the tens, and the hundreds are placed. And then we're also going to be using the base 10 blocks. So each desk is going to have the base 10 blocks. This one is to show you that we have 100. These are here, 10 each, and these represent one digit. So each table is going to have this for you so that you can use the base 10 blocks to write the numbers that I'm going to be writing on the board for you. Now first we're going to begin with the number 82. With your base 10 blocks, I want you to show me how the number 2 or what the number 82 looks like. So I'm going to be coming around and looking at your tables to see that you're using the base 10 blocks to show me the number 82. And then in a place value chart, we're going to be writing it as well. And we're going to write tens and we're going to write ones. So for the number 82, we're going to show there's how many eights? There's 8s in the 10 spot, and then how many ones are there? There's 2 ones, or 2 in the ones spot. Okay, and then with our base 10 blocks, we're going to use how many? We're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to represent the number 8. So that's 80, there's 8 tens. And then to show the ones, we're going to use 2 of these little blocks to show the ones. Now I'm also going to go ahead and give you another number to do, but this time what we're going to do is you're going to add. So the number that you're going to add, and use the base 10 blocks to help you with this. You're going to have the number 17 and the number 61. And I want you to add these together using your base 10 blocks. And we can also use your place value chart to reflect this. So you're going to be putting your tens and your ones. So let's go ahead and do this one together. So for this number 1, we have 1 in the 10 spot and 7 in the 1 spot. And for this number we have 6 in the 10 spot and 1 in the 1 spot. So when we add these together, we will have 7, 8 in the 1 spot and 6, 7 in the 10 spot to make it the number 78. And by using your blocks, how can we show 78? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Okay, now the last thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to work on a word problem. So I want you to look at the words to see what we're going to be doing with this word problem, to determine if you're going to add or subtract the numbers. So our word problem is going to be, yes, I've written it down for you. So Gavin made 24 cupcakes for the party. Preston brought 12 more cupcakes. How many total cupcakes are there? So let's make sure that we're going to break down this number. So let's look for the numbers. We're going to use 24 and then there's 12. So Gavin had 24 cupcakes. And then Preston brought 12 more cupcakes. And what is it asking? It's asking us how many total cupcakes are there. So what are we going to do? We're going to add this. Okay, so let me go ahead and write the numbers on the board. So we're going to have 24. And since we said we're going to add, we're going to do plus 12. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our place value chart so we can break it down. So we have our tens and we have our ones. How many do we have in the 10 spot? We have 2. In the 1 spot we have 4. Now for this number we have 1 in the tens and 2 in the ones. So let's go ahead and add that together, and we have 4 plus 2, which is 6, and 2 plus 1, which is 3. So we have 36 cupcakes. Now for us to go ahead and use our base 10 blocks, we have 1, 2, 3, and then how many of the ones we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So these are these you can use to go ahead and help you, these base 10 blocks, or you can also use the place value chart that we just used to help us add the numbers together. And then next I'm going to go ahead and give you some more problems like this for homework for you this evening. Just make sure if you don't have any type of like base 10 blocks, you could always use the place value chart to help you with these problems at home.